Auto Line 3. High-performance equipment responsible for the processes of uncoiling, leveling and grooving, and corner notching for TDC profile. Lock forming machine. Makes Pittsburgh lock and right angle lock. TDC flange and clip forming machine. Versatile and compact equipment. Helps jointing duct parts through flange TDC 35 confection. TD 25 and Pittsburgh are optional. It also cuts and conforms clip shape, conferring higher sealing to the duct assembly line. Bending machine. Executes bends in the duct already with flange TDC. Pittsburgh seam closing machine. Innovative, quick adjustment, and easy handling equipment. Eliminates noise and makes a tight seal, free of leakage and imperfections. Corner inserter. For a solid workpiece with perfect square, it has an automatic feeding system, making the operation faster and requiring no human intervention. This equipment finalizes the square duct manufacturing line. The result is a square duct of excellent quality, optimal finish, rigidity, and stability, manufactured through a linear and efficient production process that offers the best value for money.